welcome back to my channel. Sheba Natural Curls here. Sitting in with me today, I have my oldest daughter. She is here in town visiting me for the past, week so far? She's going to be leaving me in a couple of days, but anywho.
Yes, my name is
Speak up.
My name is Regina. I'm here to visit them for a couple of days. We're going to be introducing this curl box to you guys.
Yes. Curl box today, you guys. We are going to be revealing the curl box.
Oh, I thought you were going to say what's in it, but we don't know what's in it.
Actually, we have an idea of what's in there. Just to let you guys know, this is a non-subscription curl box that I have. And it's so packed that this came outside of the box. So you already can see that we are going to be looking at Urban Hydration Honey line. I've never heard of this, but this is the box that I got. So this is what we are going to be unrevealing today, the rest of the products, the rest of the set to this. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button. You know you want to. Hit that subscribe button and then go on and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any future videos yet to come with me. So without further ado, let's jump into this right now because I'm excited. Are you? You excited?
Yes.
Are you?
Yes, Mom.
My ears okay, get it popping. Let's go.
My ears just popping.
Your ears is popping. We're about to pop this box. Like
Let
everything's popping. Okay. This is what she looks like, you guys, when we open up the box. Okay? Ain't she pretty? She's pretty. I like her hair too.
Oh, this is her box?
I don't know who she is.
Oh.
But it's a nice presentation, I tell you that.
Okay. Well, yeah. Shout out to whoever this is.
Let's see.
It says sexy hair.
Sexy hair. This must be the sexy hair box, y'all.
Okay.
Ah.
Oh, this is what's. Didn't I say that?
So it tells you.
That little...
Yes. This is what it's looking like.
Show them what it's.
Sorry. I guess right. I'm going to do this the right way. I will say I will be doing tutorials sometime in the near future on these products that's in this box. So, shall we?
Yes, we shall.
Right, like Christmas.
Right.
Let's see what. Ooh, okay. Now let me just say something here. It's a lot of stuff in this box. This is hot, and you get 5 products in here. Did I just do that?
Yeah.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to shower.
You know. Well, she already showed you guys what this is.
But we didn't tell them what it is. We told them what the brand is, but what is it?
Urban Hydration, Honey Cream Moisture, Retaining Hold, Style, and Setting Cream.
Setting cream. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. A style setting cream. Previous videos, I don't normally do creams and butters too much unless it's a DIY that I normally make, but I'm going to try it now. It has veggie glycerin, shea butter, coca seed butter, and rosemary extract. So, and it says it repairs damage, promotes health, and tames frizz. So I'll be the judge of that when I use it in my hair. Okay. Next product. You want me to do this one? You do the next.
I'm gonna do this one.
No, we gotta go in order here.
This is leaking, but it's okay, guys.
Oh wait, run that back. We did not even open it up to smell it. We gotta smell it for the people, right?
Yeah, but you can just say, hold on, we forgot one thing.
No. We have to see how this smells, okay?
It smells good. Don't smell too sweet, don't smell too bland.
And I like that it's freshly packed and sealed. Play no games, okay? Play, you know, I was going to do that.
You take too long.
Okay. But this is what she's looking like. Okay, she a little thick, but not too
You
thick.
want to put some of this in your hair so it don't go to waste? It's like, oh.
No, I don't want to put anything in my hair right now.
No,
But she smells good, very light. It's not too much of a strong smell. So curious to see how that is going to turn out in my hair.
This is Honey Health and Repair, repairing shampoo. So repairs your hair, shampooing it, cleaning it, and repairing all the damage.
Right, clearly this is a repair damage line. Still good for even if your hair is intact and not damaged. Still may be good for that also. So either way, I'm going to use it. I paid my money. I'm going to use it. But I just hope this line comes out to be something good for my hair.
Oh, Mom, you know what I wish you had?
Watch the side now.
Oh, sorry, guys.
Oh,
that's.
See.
I'm sorry, this is a messy video.
No, my daughter is messy. The conditioner. And man, you guys, these are 16.9 fluid ounces. These 2 bottles here. So that's a nice amount of conditioner and shampoo, especially shampoo, because you know you don't need a whole lot of shampoo. Mm-hmm. Conditioner is a different story, but it's still a nice size. But this is the Urban Hydration Honey Health and Repair Deep Conditioner. So it says deep conditioner, y'all. Did y'all hear that? Y'all see that?
Mom, they heard. They're seeing.
Clarification. Gotta do it.
Mm-hmm.
Because normally a deep conditioner, to me, and I know y'all out there, don't come in no bottle like this. It's normally in a jar, per se, like this one, you know? So, I'm definitely curious. Eyebrow raise? Eyebrow raise? Here, I gotta see something on the back because this is crazy talking about a deep conditioner. Directions. Okay, it says apply desired amount into the palm and work through wet hair from roots to ends. Massage into scalp and rinse thoroughly. Okay, that's not the instructions for a deep conditioner because a deep conditioner to me is you leaving your hair for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Am I correct?
I say like at least 35 to 40 minutes.
Right, but that's not what it says in here. So again, we're going to have to see. Very curious about that.
I really want to do this one only because like the way it looks. Like
she's so infatuated with the spray bottle.
Detangling spray. But yes, detangles your hair.
I'm about to say you can't spray the people.
It's not really spraying yet.
I need subscribers, not 9 subscribers.
Wow. I think everything's just dripping. But you know, see?
Yes, I can honestly say I like the way the spray nozzle is also. It's pretty cool. So, introduce it, please.
What was that? Okay, this is I told them already, the detangling spray. Oh, leave-in conditioning detangling spray. So I guess when, you know, part your hair, spray it up in there. Listen, I don't know how you
yeah, she doesn't do too much of the natural things. She's going to be learning from me. What?
I just wear braids. I don't like wearing my hair. Like, I wear my hair sometimes, but I don't.
She doesn't do natural like this as much.
I prefer being braided up.
She will wear Bantu knots.
I will wear those. I love those. Those are nice.
She won't let me do 2-strand twists in her hair.
No, I will not, because I look like Boo Boo the Fool, and I will not ever.
Somebody, please tell her she won't. Tell her she won't. She don't even know what she's missing out on, y'all. Hydration, honey, leave-in conditioning, detangling spray. Guess what, y'all? My fave is in here. Y'all should know my fave. Anybody who's a subscriber, what's my fave? You know what it is?
Me.
What's my fave? What's my aloe vera? It has aloe vera in here, y'all. Okay, it has veggie glycerin, aloe vera leaf, grapeseed extract, and argan oil. This gonna be some good stuff. Just from what I read off, I'm definitely anxious to get my hair up in this. So,
woo!
Tutorial will be popping. Tutorial coming. Tutorial coming.
Mom, oh my god.
I say tutorial coming.
I'm not doing another video. This is the Daily Moisture. So you know it's a daily moisturizer. I guess you put in your hair. You know
That daily snack. Daily snack.
Yes.
Okay. Thought I
Don't
was by
eat
myself.
it.
I heard crickets.
Don't eat it. So what is this? Sulfur?
Softer.
So it's terrible.
I know they're
Softer.
You know, sometimes you can't write in cursive on these packages
style.
because some people can't understand what it's
Daily
saying.
Moisture, guys.
Listen. Did you put it too close? Sometimes they glare. Y'all know I'm still trying to work this glare thing with these lights.
And
so
I'm
bear
new
with
to this.
me.
I don't do this YouTube thing. I see it. I like it. I laugh at it. I learn from it, but I don't do it.
Yeah, so I'm curious to see what this does also, you guys. I'm very minimum at what I want to put in my hair and what's going on with my new healthy journey. Off the phone, please. See, this is what we go through with these older kids. The phone. Really? Doing my YouTube video? 10 minutes out of my day. She can't let it go. That's what I be talking about.
The cream.
That's what I be talking about. Tutorial on all this coming soon. So I'm excited to do this with you guys.
Way in 2 days. Maybe 5. 5.
She's rushing it, y'all. I just can't believe these 2 big jugs right here. 16.9 ounces. Like,
yes,
come on with it. That's what I'm talking about. Time to wrap it up, you guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video today. This was a non-subscription box. It was not sponsored anyhow, anyway. I figured I wanted to get my own curl box, and I wanted to reveal it with my daughter since she was here in town with me.
First born, okay? First.
They know
born.
that. I told them you're my oldest.
21.
What do you think that means?
My
Anyway,
birthday is in August.
You guys have a lovely day. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel.
If y'all want to share
I'm
about
wrapping this up.
On the day.
Thank you, YouTube, for See, you got me off my square.
For tuning in.
Thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys next time in a future video. Don't forget, tutorial coming. Love you, love you, love you. Peace.
She like, love y'all. I like y'all.